Now that is a lot of birds. Holy cow. Well, I asked my legions to come, and they did. This is awesome. It is kind of hard working with wild geese. Thank you guys. Awesome. Thank you guys. Thank you, my ancestors and guardians. This is awesome. Thanks, guys. Thank you. Thanks, guys. This is awesome. Aw. Thank you. Thank you. This is awesome. Hi, guys. Hi. That is not me focusing in and out. That is my guardians and my ancestors and all the spirits that I work with. My legions, obviously. Bye, guys. Thank you, Alien Allen Doggett. Thank you, Queen Marie. This is awesome. Thank you, guys. Thanks, guys. Awesome. They don't have to fly over me if they didn't want to, but they chose to. Bye, guys. Thank you. Thank you.